Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you for another 3-Minute Thursday. And I'm just going to do 2 names out here I got kind of a double question today. It's a follow-up on last week. Before I forget the names, that asked the questions. It was Rideshare Source Driver and Brian Seja, C-E-G-A, Brian Seja, or Seha, maybe, who knows? I don't know. They had 2 questions, just kind of follow up on last week with taxes. The first one was, does a DBA or doing business as, how does that work as far as LLC or doing it as an S Corp? And then what if you didn't track your miles last year? What the hell are you going to do? So 3 minutes on the clock. I'll try to address those 2 questions pretty quick here. Probably won't even take the full 3 minutes. So DBA just is a doing business as, and you can still be a DBA as an S Corp, a LLC, a sole proprietorship, a partnership. So the DBA doesn't really do anything for you. It's just basically saying, like, I would be Keith Watson, DBA, the Rideshare Ginger. I am doing business. If I register my business as a sole proprietorship as Keith Watson Rideshare, I could then do Keith Watson Rideshare is the name of the business, but I'm doing business as DBA, the Rideshare Ginger. That's all the DBA does for you. So you still want to go S Corp, not C Corp. Avoid C Corp, no C Corp. S Corp or LLC is still the route to go that you want to aim for there. And then you didn't track your miles last year. What the hell are you going to do? Because Uber and Lyft are telling you it did. Oh shit, there goes the light. Open the door real quick. Sorry, sitting in a lot, but Uber and Lyft's telling you did like half the miles that you know you truly did. What the hell do you do? Well, if you're using your car for 100% business, go check your oil receipts, which you should have kept, your oil changes, and your mileage is going to be on there. Or go to the dealer that you're getting your oil changes done at and just ask them for the copies of the invoices, and you should be pretty solid and good to go at that point. And if you're using it for 100% business, there's your miles, and you should have a good idea. If you're not using 100% business, then you're gonna have to play with the numbers a little bit and figure out what applies to the business and what doesn't. But that's why you should track your miles on a year-to-year basis. But if this was your first year and you didn't know you're supposed to track miles, then it is what it is. Try to find ways around it and fix it. But at the end of the day, if you don't have the receipts either, you don't know where you went for some strange reason or whatnot, then yeah, you might be a little bit SOL, and you gotta go with Uber and Lyft's numbers at that point, which kind of sucks, but it's another reason. Make sure you track your miles going forward. Year over year, just make sure you track those miles. And if you're using your car for 100% business, again, write down the miles at the start of the year, write down the miles at the end of the year. You're done. It's over. That's all you got to do. No big deal. But 2 quick questions. Wanted to answer those real quick. Been appreciating the comments and everything. Everyone saw my kicking a passenger out video. I think at this point, I think it might be my biggest or one of my biggest videos that I've done, and gotten all kinds of feedback on it. We might do another video addressing that at some point, kind of clarify some things. But 3-Minute Thursday, in and out. It's a Thursday. I'm at Midway, about to grab some surge here. I landed here at the perfect time, so it worked out great for me today. But until next time, guys, I appreciate the comments, appreciate the views. Continue asking questions so I have stuff to answer for you guys. And I don't care what the question is. I'll elaborate the best I can on it, and hopefully I'll get some other videos out here for you on top of the 3-Minute Thursdays. But until next time, guys, appreciate it. Thank you.